This is the Dash egg cooker that we got as a Christmas gift. We have 21 chickens, so we eat a lot of eggs. The biggest challenge with gadgety items like this is power, so we wanted to test the 360 watt claim. Here is a shot of our solar usage before turning on the Dash. Fill the measuring container with the appropriate amount of water. There are 3 lines for egg boiling: soft, medium, and hard. It also has options for omelets and poached eggs on the other side. We always cook 7 eggs, poking holes in each and placing them in the rack bottom side up. Rechecking the solar usage with the Dash on, and it went from 100 watts to 400 watts. 300 watts seems accurate. This thing uses very little power. 10 minutes later, it sings to you, not too unpleasant. We immediately put the entire tray into the freezer because we love eggs soft boiled. This is the easiest way to cool them quickly, or you could use an ice bath. Once they're cool, they're perfect every time. The Dash comes with omelet and poached egg trays. We haven't tried poached yet, but it makes a great little omelet. 2 eggs and some seasonings poured into the tray, and this was the result. We added a slice of cheese and put the top back on to melt it. It was delicious, fluffy and light, a perfect, easy omelet. This is how easy it is to clean after cooking 21 eggs. About a tablespoon of vinegar in the heating tray. Wait 5 minutes. Wipe it down with a paper towel and some water. I'm not usually a fan of little kitchen gadgets, but the Dash is well worth the cupboard space. It's extremely low power usage coupled with absolute ease of use. We would buy another one if it ever breaks. Click to subscribe if you'd like to see more slick city ditchers. Thanks for watching and happy off-gridding.